Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So in this video today we will be discussing around how to use ChatGPT while coding. Okay, so let me open the ChatGPT first. So here you can see I am already logged in with my account in the ChatGPT. You can see here, and let me ask this ChatGPT for HTML basic structure. Okay, just press enter. Type whatever you want. For now I am going to ask HTML basic structure. It will give me a code as I am assuming, but let's see what it gives. It will give you the definition, how to start, how the tag works, the HTML tag, the head tags, and body tag. It will explain everything that it will give you a code at in the end of this explanation. Okay, so here is the complete basic structure of the HTML document it has given, and it is explaining everything here. So document type declaration, you must include this one, this line, and HTML tag. So whatever you write here, everything will come inside this. You will find this into the explanation. Then you will have the head. The head section provide metadata, other information about HTML document. It is placed between the opening and closing HTML tags. Okay, now the body section. The body section contains the visual content of the HTML document, such as text, images, links, and more. It is placed between the opening and closing HTML tag. And here is the complete basic structure of an HTML document. So now you can copy this one code and you can paste it directly here. And I have already opened this page in the browser. Let me refresh, and you see here, here is your first HTML program is ready. And now if you want to add some tables, so just write table in HTML with 2 rows, 3 columns. Let me ask if it is giving the correct answer. Sure, here is the example of table with 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so it is already given me the structure, so I only need that this part only. So inside body I will paste that, this one, table to table. So now I can see here it has given me the 3 column and 2 rows, and you can change the information here as per your requirements. Okay, can you style above table? Let me ask this one and see what is apply. Certainly you can style this like this. Okay, so for a style part I need to paste this one in the body under head tag. So a style goes under head. It has given me the how you can style your table. But if you want to replace completely this one, because it is also including the above table structure, you can also do that. Let me replace directly here. Directly I am replacing all the code here, and I see now I can see the output. So this is how you can use this chat gpt while you are a beginner. Yeah, whichever stage you are in as a developer, you can use this chat gpt. You can also ask some advanced question here. List in html, you can also do that, like it will give you the list. Okay, ul order list, unorder list. So hopefully you will use this in your while you start learning html. Thank you for watching.